Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hexagon bandstand card with a floating element. Super easy card to make, lots of layers to use up all your designer series paper. Beautiful place to write at the back. It's really amazing. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card. Now there's a lot of paper measurements here, so as I make the card I'm going to give you the measurements and they're also going to be in the description box. So let's get started. As usual, we're going to start with some scoring. I'm going to score this 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of paper at 1 and 3 1/4. And I'm also going to score these two 5 3/8 by 1 pieces of paper at 1/2, 1 5/8, 3 3/4, and 4 7/8. Fold and burnish in all your score lines. Your paper should look like this. The back of your card is going to be like this, and the front of your card is going to be like this. All right, so we're gonna layer these. So this is for the inside middle and the outside middle. The back of these are 2 1/8 by 5 3/8, both of them, and both of these are 2 by 5 1/4. Now you have 4 of these, 2 for the inside base and 2 for the outside. These measure 7/8 by 5 3/8, and all of the layers for the top of them measure 3/4 by 5 1/4. Let's layer these. These are done. Now we have the layers for the tiny pieces at the front, at the top, at the bottom, and these pieces at the top, at the bottom, and the middle. The back layer is 7/8 by 1, and the top layer is 3/4 by 7/8. For the top and the bottom, the back layer is 7/8 by 2, and the top layer is 3/4 by 1 7/8. So we're going to layer these now. And they're all layered. So let's get started with putting this card together. These go with this, these go with this, and these go together. Let's layer the inside of the card first. Now I'm going to layer these. That looks so beautiful. And now we're going to add these to the back, because we have to add these on first before we stick these on. So to add these, we're going to line them up like this. This is lining straight up to the top here, and this is folding back like this. So line it up, add your glue, and then fold back, making very certain that you're reaching the top here perfectly. Perfect. Let's line this up at the bottom here and turn it over and do the same thing. Let's layer the back one time. This is the back of our card. I'm going to turn it over. That's the front. It's so beautiful, guys. Presents like this. And now let's go about getting our special feature in here. We're gonna stick this just like so. It's so beautiful. I'm going to use double-sided tape for this because glue could get very messy when you're dealing with acetate. So that's one. Let's take the other one. So we're going to use double-sided tape. I'm going to simply stick it in here. So I'm lining it up perfectly with my bottom piece. You could see it lined up here with the sticky part on top. I'm going to hold it down. And I'm simply going to do this. And now it's stuck perfectly. I don't like how this looks, and this is why I have these, which I'm going to block it like so if someone looks inside the card. So let's do that as well. See how neater and better that looks than this? It's finished. Let's put the other side. Don't put a lot of glue, you don't want it to blotch on the acetate. So I'm simply sticking it to the inside, like so. That's perfect, and our card base is completed. It folds flat. It will go perfectly into an A2 envelope. Let's put some decorations. We're going to stick this Christmas tree to the front here, and it's going to look like it's floating above everything. Hold it down. I'm going to center my tree really well and stick it. And now it looks like I have a floating Christmas tree on my card. Let's turn it over, and I want to add Thanks so much for joining me while we made this hexagon bandstand card with a floating element. That is so cute. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.